Have your own getaway paradise found on 18.50 acres. Freshly decorated residence amid rural area charm. If you long for sun on the water and a splash of something, here's a delightful single-story country home with a scenic lake view. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It is just what every kitchen should have: a wonderful, spacious custom kitchen with stainless steel appliances, oak cabinets, center island. Living room takes on a special flair thanks to the splendid, vaulted ceilings. Entertain or simply relax on the comfortable large deck, lack front, shelter house, and lake house. Offering an array of further features, this home provides fireplace, bright and open layout, large rooms and 4-season room. Wood flooring, attractive large bedrooms, eating bar, 2-car garage, enclosed.